If you're in pain right now, would you rather have it cut out, cracked out, or would you rather your pain go away naturally? On my last email, the vast majority of you selected this topic for today's video.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, let's get ready to rumble!
And today's video is going to be comparing myself to surgeons, chiropractors, and me, a pain therapist. What do? I live here in Colorado and I help active adults get out of pain without drugs, shots, or surgeries using my pain-free system. And I thought it would be pretty cool. Instead of me talking about it, I will show you the differences between a surgeon and a chiropractor and the way I do it naturally. And we're going to use a very common shoulder issue called frozen shoulder. Now, I do need to say that all three of these methods do work, at least in the short run. Watch these crazy videos. Make sure that your volume is on. Try not to throw up when you watch the surgeons.
Listen. Let's go.
There's more than one way to free up a frozen shoulder. Hydrodilation involves injecting fluid into the joint under X-ray guidance until it pops free. It's a quick outpatient fix. Local anesthetic, an injection of saline, and immediate improved movement for most patients.
What we're going to do is start to release some of this capsule and then explore the rest of the shoulder in just a second. All the way around the shoulder, and I'm just being very careful to stay between capsule and muscle, and that looks like it's playing there.
Oh, man.
Got it. So push down on me, not too hard.
Now we do the sideways.
Simple exercises like this, no drugs, no shots, no surgeries. Speaking of no surgeries, you told me I needed two for my knees. I would like to end this video by stating that all three of these approaches do work for frozen shoulder, at least in the short run. The biggest difference between the violent cutting and cracking versus my natural approach is that I will support and empower you along the way. I will teach you about your body and why you got frozen shoulder. I will give you exercises at home to help prevent it from ever coming back. The marriage of physical release, which I do as a massage therapist, and strengthening exercises, which I've been doing for the last 20 years as a corrective exercise specialist. The marriage of release and strengthening is what naturally heals our body. That violent cutting and cracking does not. It helps you in the short run, but it doesn't help you long term. My approach will help you stop having pain and stop having to come to health practitioners for every single problem that you have. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section below.